Scott. We should walk away from this.
Hold on. If I were to do this, if I even could do it, I'd need a guarantee. How do I know you can deliver?
You don't, but I can. Let's go.
Today, we have a big job. This is a supercharged 5-liter Range Rover HSE. HSE, that's what it is. Okay, the suspension has finally woke up. It was laid down flat. HSE Range Rover Sport. She runs, but she's running rough. You got a check engine light flashing. I already scanned the code. We got a couple of codes in there. It's a chain problem. So this particular one has an issue with the chain, a rattling and the tensioner. It's a common problem. It's a common issue with these Range Rovers. Very nice car, beautiful car that I got here. I gotta get it done. Doing the timing and the valve cover gaskets. That's what I'm going to be doing on this bad boy. It's a very intensive, labor intensive, and brain intensive job. So you have to be in your A game to do this job. So we're about to go with it, full throttle. And my knowledge hasn't failed me so far yet. I don't think it's gonna fail me on this one. So I'm gonna tackle it on and bring you all with me and while we do this job. So I'm about to scan the codes and so we can look at all the code sets before I dig into it. So I know what we fixed and what we did not fix after we're done with the job. All right, without further ado,